My name is Randy Johnson. I'm a compressed air specialist with C&B Equipment. We are the local Gardner, Denver air compressor, blower, and vacuum pump distributor. I'd like to talk to you a little bit about compressed air systems, setup, parts and pieces of equipment that need to be put into place to make sure we ensure uptime and not downtime on air compressors. Air compressors require a lot of maintenance. Quite often people do not pay attention to them in the facilities because they're so busy trying to fix other things and working on other projects. So things that you want to look for when you walk up to an air compressor, first thing is to see what the temperature is that it's running. It has a certain parameter. It wants to run anywhere between 160 and 200 max. It can go higher than that, but when you start going above 200 degrees, there's issues such as low oil levels or coolers that are plugged up. Second item is if there's water problems in the system. Nobody pays attention to that until the person down at the other end of the facility says, I've got water in my lines, the product is getting ruined, we need help with that. So then we come back through and we look at all the drains in the dryer, the drains and the filters to make sure that everything's working properly, because the drains are the least expensive things to fix, but usually the first things that fail. The next thing is to go ahead and look for oil removal, any other contaminants that might be in the air. That's all done by filtration. So we have to make sure that our maintenance schedule is on time and we change those filters out according to what they need to be, annually, biannually, whatever process required. We also want to make sure that the drains are working correctly on the filters that are taking the oil out of the system. Gardner, Denver, and other compressor companies all have specific warranty requirements. Usually it involves filter changes and oil changes done at a specific time interval throughout the year. We also do oil samples to be able to show whether or not there's internal problems that are going to exist. Also, if you walk up to the compressor and it's overheating, it's too hot if it's running 200 or above. Most of the time, it's the air cooler is plugged up, needs to be blown out, and also the oil level could be low. A large part of what I do for my job is I help people figure out problems. I help people figure out how to set up the system correctly to begin with, so we eliminate downtime later on and all those expensive costs and fixes. So if you ever have an issue that you'd like some help with, just please feel free to give me a call. I'd be glad to talk to you, even if it's just over the phone, come visit you and see if we can do some work together.